Alright guys, ditch the vision boards and dust off your laptops. Forget robot butlers and flying cars, because the real AI revolution is happening right under our noses. No, I'm not talking about some sci-fi chatbot throwing shade on Twitter. This AI is seeing, hearing, and talking its way into building businesses faster than you can say hustle mode. Think of it as your brain on rocket fuel. These GPT-4 upgrades aren't just mind-blowing internet memes. They're churning out real-world profits. We're talking personalized marketing that makes customers feel like you're reading their minds and their wallets. Websites that write themselves, and chatbots that actually understand what you're saying, even if it's just grunts and memes. So, is this the year you finally crack the code on that million-dollar idea? This video is your cheat sheet. We'll dive into real-life use cases of this AI game changer. Buckle up, people. It's time to let the robots do the heavy lifting. Imagine this. You toss a Benjamin at your trusty AI buddy, ChatGPT, and whisper, "Make me an empire." What does this silicon sensei do? Bam! It conjures up a logo hotter than a crypto bro's Lambo and whips up a website smoother than a vegan latte. Before you can say avocado toast, boom. Green Gadget Guru was born. This wasn't your grandma's Tupperware party. Forget dusty catalogs. This site was a treasure trove of eco-gadgets and green living tips that'll make you feel like Captain Planet reincarnated. And in just one day, our boy goes from chump change to cheddar cheese mountain, all thanks to his AI brain trust. This ain't a fairy tale, folks. This is the future, where your dreams get laser-focused by artificial sorcery. So ditch the textbooks and fire up your laptops. The AI revolution is here, and it's got your back and front. This isn't just a one-off stunt. Gamers, fasten your controllers and hold on to your coding socks because we're about to warp speed into the future of game development, powered by none other than GPT. Forget those dry textbooks and endless tutorials. ChatGPT is your new ultimate co-pilot ready to build interactive worlds faster than you can say level up. Remember Doom? That retro nightmare where you blast the demons through pixelated corridors? Guess what? A brave gamer named Javi Lopez used ChatGPT to whip up a basic 3D maze game, like a miniature Doom dungeon. No flying Kako demons yet, but he built the whole freaking labyrinth with the help of AI. Here's the mind-blowing part. Javi just tossed ChatGPT a simple command. Build me a Doom-style maze using HTML, and boom, the AI delivered code like a code-spewing dragon. Javi then tinkered with the colors and textures in real time, transforming it into a pixelated playground. Sure, it wasn't the complete Doom package, but Javi proved something epic. GPT can be your coding BFF. Stuck on a line of code? Don't sweat it, just ask your AI homie. Javi used ChatGPT like a cheat code, clearing up coding hiccups and learning new tricks on the fly. This AI is basically building interactive worlds faster than you can say power up. And get this, the code ChatGPT generates is complex stuff, the kind that would take us mere mortals weeks to write. So not only is AI making game development more accessible, it's also supercharging the process. Imagine churning out game prototypes in hours instead of weeks. That's the future we're talking about. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the next indie dev superstar. Game on. GPT-4 just unlocked a vision superpower straight out of X-Men. Yep, this bad boy can now analyze images and crack their secrets like an info-detecting, pixel-powered Sherlock Holmes. And this ain't some top-secret beta test. Developers wielding the GPT-4 Vision preview model and the upgraded Chat Completions API can already tap into this visual smarts. Think of it like a super-powered Google search for pictures. You can fire questions at it, toss files like frisbees, or even paste screenshots, and bam, it spits out insightful answers faster than you can say image recognition. Companies are already lining up to hop on this AI vision bandwagon. Take Damon Chen, founder of PDF AI. His tool used to let you grill PDFs for info, but now, thanks to GPT-4 Vision, it can devour images and screenshots too. Imagine snapping a pic of a dusty museum artifact and instantly unlocking its history. Or pointing your phone at a cryptic recipe and having AI whip up a grocery list. The possibilities are wilder than a feline in a catnip factory. Think about it. Businesses can use GPT-4 Vision to analyze product photos and answer customer queries like a human whisperer. Researchers can crack scientific riddles hidden in pictures like code-breaking ninjas. And artists can team up with AI to paint mind-bending masterpieces that would make Salvador Dali jealous. So ditch the magnifying glasses and dust off your smartphones. The future of information is visual, and AI is its all-seeing eye. Remember when building websites meant squinting at pixels and muttering curses into your keyboard? Yeah, GPT-4 Vision just chucked that whole nightmare into the digital dumpster fire. Meet Pietro Sciarrano, the coding rebel who's building websites not with lines of code, but with freaking pictures. We're not talking stock photos or clip art. We're talking dreamy cafes, vibrant galleries, the kind of visuals that make your soul do a backflip. Pietro throws these bad boys at GPT-4 Vision like digital wishbones and poof, out pops the actual code to make his pixel paradise a reality. And get this, it's all live, like real-time magic. The website materializes on screen, morphing from image to interactive masterpiece faster than you can say responsive design. Pietro's basically playing digital god, shaping the web with his bare eyeballs and a sprinkle of AI sorcery. But Pietro's not just playing web dev dress-up. He's also using GPT-4 Vision to crack the code of art itself. Picture this. He throws up an image, maybe a Van Gogh masterpiece or a cryptic street mural, and asks GPT-4, what's the story behind this image? And GPT-4, like a digital Da Vinci, spins a tale richer than any museum plaque. This isn't just a party trick, folks. It's a glimpse into the future where websites spring from pictures like flowers after rain, and AI deciphers art like a modern-day Rosetta Stone. GPT-4 Vision is opening our eyes to a world where information isn't limited to text, and where understanding the visual world is just a question away. This is just the beginning of the AI vision revolution. But hold on to your hats, folks, because GPT-4 unlocked yet another new superpower: voice. And this ain't your grandma's Surrey. We're talking chameleon-level mimicry, where a few seconds of your sweet audio unlocks a personal voice doppelganger. But GPT-4 isn't just a party parrot. Enter Ethan Mollick, a Wharton professor with a vision for this AI voice. Your personal negotiation sensei. Think Rocky training with a hologram of Apollo Creed, but for business deals? Mollick crafted a killer prompt that transforms GPT-4 into a sparring partner, throwing down mock negotiation scenarios like confetti at a victory party. Imagine this. You're facing a tough client meeting. Before you dive in, you fire up GPT-4 Sensei. You feed it your negotiation approach, the client's likely tactics, and boom, you're in a virtual arena, testing your pitch and sharpening your counter-arguments. This AI Sensei throws curveballs like a pro pitcher, exposing your weak spots and making you a negotiation ninja before you can say, "Show me the money." GPT-4 dissects your tactics, points out your flaws with the accuracy of a laser pointer, and guides you towards deal closing like a kung fu master. Now, hold on a sec. Before you ditch your textbooks and start worshiping at the GPT altar, Mollick throws out a fair warning. AI is not perfect. Think of it like a workout buddy. Pushes you hard, gives you great tips, but might occasionally forget its own damn exercises. So fact-checking your AI trainer is still key. Remember, it's a tool, not a magic wand. This is just the beginning of the AI conversational revolution. Imagine personalized language tutors, on-demand debate partners, or even custom-built storytellers, all powered by the voice of GPT-4. And hey, if you want to know how to access GPT-4 Turbo, check out this video right here. The future of learning and communication is about to get a whole lot more dynamic, and we're all invited to the conversation. People are using ChatGPT in all manner of ways. It's like having a pocket Einstein who speaks fluent internet. No wonder everyone's buzzing about these upgrades. They're not just changing the game, they've rewritten the rules. So, are you ready to ditch the textbooks and get schooled by AI? Who knows? Maybe you'll be the next AI-powered success story taking the internet by storm. This tech revolution is rolling, and if you're not on board, you've already missed the train.